So this video is basically on intensive meet agenda. In intensive meet agenda, the first thing is war story, trophy plus emptying the cup. Here war story we share it with buddy, then central sharing. Trophy as what you know, and emptying the cup is something where you are in the meet, making sure that you're in the meet. So this is war story, trophy and emptying the cup. The next thing is we use ground rules plus grow, and under grow we have points as well as C by T. We use grow for this as points as well as C by T, and go channel pass by T, and even C by T by seeing where we are. The next thing is center report card. Under center report card we have accountability hurdle, where we work on one area and the hurdle will work on the complete to see how we can move forward, and that is accountability hurdle. Under accountability hurdle we have challenge report sheet. Under that it's IL, IC and LC. IL is innovative learning, IC is inside council, and LC is leadership coaching, where here we again use grow. Using grow, we'll see where the breakdown, we'll take one breakdown and work on the breakdown for the week to make sure that it is a break for the next week. We'll take on an area where it's a breakdown, using grow, we move to the next level. So that is under the challenge report card. Then we declare for the next week, as well as in declaration part we have declaration for mocks plus mini hacks, and this happens in declaration part, and then next we have updates and highlights. So this is basically how an intensive meet happens, and this is the agenda of intensive meet.